Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to stay anonymous on Reddit. So the first step is to create a throwaway account. So pick a random username, no real names or nicknames, so keep it separate from your main Reddit account and avoid reusing usernames from other platforms. Second step is to use a burner email. Use temporary or privacy-focused email services and don't link Reddit with Google or social media accounts. The third step is to skip phone linking. Avoid providing a phone number unless absolutely required. Some subreddits need it, wait the privacy trade-off. Fourth step is to avoid sharing personal info. So no real locations, jobs or personal details. Be mindful of screenshots or photos with hidden metadata. Fifth step is to use private browsing and VPN. So browse Reddit in Incognito mode or a fresh profile. Use a trusted VPN or Tor browser to mask your IP address. Sixth step is to don't link behaviors between accounts. Avoid posting identical content from your main account. Vary your tone and style to prevent detection. Seventh step is to clean photos before uploading. So remove EXIF and metadata before posting images. Online tools or built-in phone settings can help. And eighth step is to be careful with DMs. Private messages can be saved or screenshotted, so never reveal personal info even in private chats. And the ninth step is nothing is fully anonymous, so admins and authorities can trace accounts if necessary. The goal is minimizing risk, not total invisibility. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.